Hello and welcome to this learning video. In this learning video, we are going to take another variety of problem on Taylor's series. So without wasting much time, let us start with the problem that we have in this learning video. So here in this learning video, we are given expand log x in powers of x minus 1. And I want you to solve the second part because it's very easy. Alright, so if you can read the problem, one can identify what function is given. What is the function? Function is log x. You can write let f of x is equal to log x. Okay, f of x is equal to log x. This is like x minus a. So what is the value of a? You have already seen the expansion, Taylor's series expansion in terms of or in powers of x minus a, that is f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a f dash of a and x square by x minus a square by 2 factorial f double dash of a and so on. So if you compare this with this, x is x and a is 1. So f of x is log x. I don't know whether it is visible or not. So let me write it one more time. Let f of x is equal to log x and a is equal to 1. Is it okay up to this? If it is okay, then what we do generally in the problems of Taylor's, we just keep on finding out 2-3 derivatives. Okay, so let us find out differentiation of this. What is f dash of x? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. What is f double dash of x? Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square. What is f triple dash of x? Derivative of this is, now if you don't know the derivative of this, you can convert it like ddx of 1 by x ka power minus x power 2 means x power minus 2. What is derivative? And this minus you can put outside. What is derivative of x to the power n? N x to the power n minus 1. So this minus sign is also there outside, so this minus, so this is 2 x power minus 3. So f triple dash of x I can write 2 upon x power 3. Okay, now after finding out this, I need the value of f of a. What is a? 1 means I need to take the value of f of 1. What is f of 1? F of x is log x, so f of 1 is log 1. And you know what is log 1? 0. Lucky number 0. Now, f dash of 1. What is f dash of 1? That is 1 by 1. That's 1. What is f double dash of 1? That's minus 1. Let us write down the other values also. What is f triple dash of 1? That's plus 2. 2 by 1 cube is 2. Okay. Now, after finding out the derivatives, write down the Taylor's expansion in powers of x minus a, where a is 1, and substitute these values. So let me write it nicely. You need to write down one sentence. By Taylor's theorem, what I need to write? The expansion of what? The expansion of f of x in powers of, you can directly write x minus 1 is, write it down. What is it? f of x is equal to f of a, that's f of 1 plus, I think it's a good practice to write first the general one and then you substitute the value. So f of x is equal to f of a, x minus a, f dash of a plus x minus a whole square by factorial 2, f double dash of a plus x minus a cube by factorial 3, f triple dash of a plus and so on. Now you have the value of a and f dash of a. So first of all you put a is 1. So when you substitute a as 1, you would be getting, in the next step you have to write it, f of 1, x minus 1, f dash of 1, x minus 1 square, and this is f dash of double dash of 1, like this. This is the next step you need to write. Now you have all these values, substitute. What is it? Log x is equal to f of 1. F of 1 is log 1, that's 0. X minus 1, f dash of 1 is 1. X minus 1 square by factorial 2, f double dash of 1, that's minus 1. F triple dash 1 is 2. Now rewrite this. Therefore, log x is equal to x minus 1, this is minus x minus 1 square by factorial 2 plus 2 x minus 1 cube by factorial 3 and so on. Okay, so this is just the first part. So what we have done till now is we have expanded this function log x in powers of x minus 1. Now I want you to pause the video for a few seconds and think over it how one can find out log of 1.1 to the base e. So pause the video, think about it and resume the video. So I hope you might have come up with the answer. You have log x to the base e. Okay, what you need to substitute? X is equal to 1.1. Very good. So you just put x is equal to 1.1 in the last step to get the approximate value of log of 1.1 to the base e. Okay, so this is what we have in this learning video. In the very next learning video, we are going to start with a very new topic of chain rule. Okay, so thank you for watching and enjoy learning mathematics. Thank you.